Hello, welcome back to WINFXTRADING YouTube channel. This channel that has been optimized to make you rich trading the Forex synthetic market. If this is your first time of visiting my channel, try your best to subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you get notified each time I upload a new content. Try to like, share to your network so that YouTube pushes to higher level of audience. In today's video, we're gonna discuss 1 minute strategy for trading fundamental news, CPI, NFP, FOMC on gold/USD. Actually, this idea can apply on any kind of asset. Okay, but let's go through the notes and actually we start the chart analysis. And you see that you should have been rich by now if you really understand this idea. Okay, I might actually introduce something to support this topic, but try to know that the main topic here, like the things I will discuss with respect to this topic, is real and are facts. Okay, so all you need to do is to optimize your trading. You can literally join our VIP to optimize. You can enroll for our courses to optimize. If you go to description, you see the number of courses. I pretty much the Telegram channel link, and then you join VIP for better stuff, like for higher profitability. Okay. Here you see the first 1 minute new. Here you see the first 1 minute new candlestick as a first element of a fair value gap. First element of a fair value gap. FVG. Okay, FVG. First element of fair value gap. Okay. Trade in the direction of this candlestick. Okay. Trade in the direction of this candlestick polarity and hold the trade till nearest /4 key level. This is independent of ongoing trend. It doesn't depend on any trend. It's just a fact. It's something you really need to understand, and that's good. Credit to this video because this is gonna change a lot of people's life, but most time it fails. Yes, that is when you know who is you. When things are not going well, when things start having discrepancies or a kind of exemption, that's when an expert will intervene. So you have to join our VIP signal channels so that you will not be inconsistent, so that you will be consistent and you really make it to the end. Okay, so I'm going to the MT5 chart so that we start flowing here. Okay, this is USD card. This is USD card. You really need to know that 15 minutes candle, you know what, it has already happened, but why I'm going to 15 minutes so that you can see where the news starts. So go to 1 minute. You go to 1 minute. That candle, that precious fair value gap candle, you mark it, you know it. There are 3 ways of optimizing for risk reward. I'm gonna bring that one. Okay, so once our fair value gap candle happens, the next candle you enter. So we have 2 ways of getting good risk reward. The midpoint of the fair value gap, when you start from the body, you have to start from the body. The body. So this current angle will provide the midpoint. So you're entering here and your stop loss is on the midpoint. This is 21 pip. Basically, this thing, if you check well, you're entering somewhere here. We are generating around 100 pips. If you enter well, 100 pips. So when you have risk reward of when you have a peak level of the set peak of 20, because if you are a sniper entering, immediately this candle is closing, you are entering, and there you see it's around less than 20 pips. So we have risk reward of 1:5. With this method, or you can actually place your LSOL somewhere below this week. You are buying, and so the risk reward will basically fall because we're entering here and you're risking. You are actually risking around 49 pips, and the risk reward will basically fall to 1:2 approximately. And if you basically enter here and you put your distance below the last about the last candle, you also about the last candle before the news, so you have around 40 pips, and the risk reward is now going back to, because if you have 100 divided by 40, what is it? 2.5. 1:2.5. That means it's getting value. So you see, but if you are using this kind of risk like this one, you see what you need to do. If you are using this snipe like this high risk level, what you need to do is that once the market goes, once you place the trade where you entered and start going up, breaking structure, what you need to do is to swear your stop loss to your entry. Just put it, move the stop loss from here, put it on the entry. You are actually risking nothing. You can even enter more position at that level. Or that make sure you are losing the amount you want to, you are risking the amount you are able to, you can comfortably afford. You can comfortably afford here, because trading is emotional. Look at what I mean. You have locked your profit, you have tried your elsewhere here, and the market is still booming, and then you see some retracement somewhere here. So you can actually enter another trade here, because now your position at zero risk, so you can actually put your SL here. You can risk certain amount here, but it's too much. But if your belief is strong, take risk and make it. Say you are entering here at this point, and you're placing your FSL here, so you basically risk 9.1, and from this 9.1 we can call it 10 pips, and basically you are actually generating 6 pips. That is risk order 1:6. Basically you can decide, since we are now risking nothing, you can decide to risk 5% of your equity here to get that 5%. Imagine, okay, you risk 5% to get that 5%. Basically it's like saying, okay, I'm risking $100 simply because I want to get $700. You see, thank you for watching this video, but I keep repeating myself. All these things I say work today, they may not work all the time. They can work at random cases, like not on consistent basis, because most time the waveform of price action can change and trigger your stop losses, and market can be so stupid and going up and down and triggering your stop losses, and you'll be like, what is this guy teaching, sir? But I'm teaching the reality is a fact. You see, it is happening here. All you need to is to know that there are exceptions. There are a kind of you know there are situations we have exceptions in life. We have situation of discrepancies, and the only way you can save yourself is to join our VIP or enroll for the courses. When things that are difficult happen, the expert will take over. You see, yes, and if expert has taken over, your life will change, because expert is expert. Expert know what you don't know. The expert have experience you don't have. Okay. Thank you, and make sure you keep coming. Bye for now.